just came in. It's a cover, a battery / memory card cover for the GoPro 9. This is the GoPro 9. This is the case I purchased for it. These are lens covers package and the actual cover itself that I just purchased. The reason I purchased it is because I use this battery to film my videos. When I use this battery, I get a total of about 6 additional hours of filming besides the battery itself. Now, I don't always use the battery. Sometimes I just use it. I'll leave a link below for the battery. I'll also leave a link below for the magnet. I did a video on those two things, on these two things. So, the GoPro 9, when I'm doing filming, when I connect that battery, I have to leave the door open or take the door off, which I don't like to do because it exposes it, especially if it just starts raining and I'm outdoors. Sometimes I hook it up to my vehicle and I don't want the rain to destroy my camera. So I was looking for something. This is not waterproof either, this battery. So what I want to be able to do is that I do driving videos. I do landscape. I drive around and I videotape buildings and things like that. And sometimes I get caught in the rain. So sometimes I have to pull over real quick. I'd like to pull off this battery, bring it into my car so it's safe and away from water. But I want to continue to film with, even if it's raining. And I'll use a battery instead of I use a GoPro battery instead of the external battery. But now I have to put the battery cover back onto the camera, and I just wanted to do I wanted something simple and easier to do. So I saw this on Amazon. It wasn't much, about $10. And it's like a bundle thing. And it comes with 2 little covers. I'll be using this. And this is the actual cover itself. And usually I check the quality by using my magnet, see if it has any metal. Metal is a lot better than plastic. So if it doesn't it sticks, so it has some metal to it. So it's made better than just the plastic. I know the plastic's lighter, but the original covers are of good quality because they stick to my magnet. They're all metal. So I got a new lens. It's the GoPro 9. And this is the original cover. Take it out usually and I plug it in and I'll run it without the battery. And I'm switching out the old one. Now the old one is very good quality. As you can see, it's magnetic, it's metal. So that's a good quality cover. So I am now going to put this cover, which is pretty cool. And that makes things simple. So let me put it in. Again, this is the GoPro 9. It does not fit the GoPro 11. I have the GoPro 11. It does not fit the GoPro 11 at all. And I think it doesn't fit the GoPro 11 or the GoPro. Okay, it took some getting it in, be careful, but it finally went in and it's perfect. Closed, awesome. So now I could use it to put in, I can still access the battery, the micro SD card, and when it's raining, I could just close it up, perfect. When it's not raining, I could just open up this little door and plug in the battery. And that's it. I'm good to go. Perfect. And if it starts to rain, I unplug it, close the little door. Now, this is not going to be waterproof. It's not waterproof. But it's a lot better than having it open. So I'll take the chances. Don't you do that. It's not waterproof because of this door. So you're doing it at your own risk. I'm doing it at my own risk also. So I'm hoping the water doesn't make its way in here. So, but it's a lot better than this with it open like that. Definitely water can get in here. All right, fits perfect, nice. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Little clip right here goes underneath. Thank you for watching. More info at the end. Bye.
Hero 9 aluminum alloy removable battery case cover fit for GoPro Hero 9 Black, 2 GoPro 9 lens caps, removable battery cover to protect Type-C charging port adapter vlog accessories. 092022. Cost $11.98. Purchased on Amazon. Brand ZLMC. Color black. Material aluminum. About this item. Professional design. The battery cover can protect your GoPro 9 camera in various environments. Tailored specifically for the GoPro Hero 9 Black camera, it fits and protects the battery from damage. Only includes side cover and lens cover, does not include camera and other accessories. Side cover button design. Redesigned a protective cover for the charging port. After charging is completed, the charging port can be closed and continue to use instead of the original work, eliminating the trouble of frequently opening the original side cover for charging or transferring data, and avoiding frequent opening of the side cover. Wear. Aluminum alloy material durable, unlike plastic material, not easy to break. Don't worry about sharp objects, it can effectively protect the side of the camera. Easy to install and dismantle. The installation is simple, just align the side cover with the top buckle, press inward, and click to complete the installation. When you hear a soft sound, the battery side door can be used to access the USB port, and the battery and SD card are already be safely covered by the door without worrying about the battery falling. Support. If you are not satisfied with our products, please feel free to contact us. We will give you a satisfactory answer within 24 hours. Products description. Aluminum alloy removable battery. Aluminum alloy removable battery cover for GoPro Hero 9 Black and lens cover. Aluminum alloy removable battery. Aluminum alloy removable battery. More details about it. Aluminum alloy removable battery. Aluminum alloy removable battery. Aluminum alloy removable battery. Feature. 1. Material, aluminum alloy, tough and durable, exquisite workmanship. 2. Good heat dissipation. Performance prevents the camera from crashing due to overheating. 3. Lightweight, only 9G, durable and good protection. 4. Unique window design. No need to replace the side cover when you don't need to charge the camera, just close the window, dust and splash proof. Better protect your camera. 5. Suitable for GoPro Hero 9 Black action camera. Specification. Material, aluminum alloy. Color, black. Application, GoPro Hero 9 Black. The package includes 1 aluminum battery cover for GoPro Hero Black 9. 1. For GoPro Hero 9 Black lens cap.